Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Wolf Gourmet is probably one of the most coveted kitchen brands, renowned for its professional-grade appliances that bring the power and precision of a restaurant kitchen right into your home. If you're looking to elevate your culinary experience with appliances that are not only high-performing but also aesthetically striking, Wolf Gourmet offers a compelling range that blends robust engineering with sophisticated design, promising durability, and an unparalleled cooking experience for discerning home chefs. Number 5. SYOKAMI 7-Piece Japanese-Style Kitchen Knife Set. Introducing the SYOKAMI 7-Piece Japanese-Style Kitchen Knife Set, designed for both beauty and safety in your kitchen. Designed with families in mind, this set features a foldable magnetic block. It can be stored safely away from children and pets, offering you peace of mind. Experience superior cutting performance. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel with a Rockwell hardness of 56+, each knife is hand-sanded to a razor-sharp 15-degree edge for effortless slicing. This professional quality set includes a versatile range of knives, from chefs to paring. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip for every task. The magnetic block holds each knife securely, making storage simple and safe. Plus, the open slots are designed for easy cleaning. With its premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and stylish packaging, this set makes an ideal gift. It's backed by a lifetime warranty for your complete satisfaction. What we like. This knife set prioritizes safety with its unique foldable magnetic block, perfect for keeping sharp blades out of reach of children and pets. If you have a busy household with little ones or furry friends, this offers peace of mind. Its high-carbon stainless steel ensures lasting sharpness for all your culinary tasks. What people say. Knives are very sharp and work great. They are extremely sharp and beautifully made. They look handsome sitting on a kitchen countertop. Sharp blades makes me realize how dull my old set had become. Magnetic holder is nice too. Number 4. 2025 Stainless Steel 3-in-1 Watermelon Slicer. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. Its durable material ensures it will be a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Featuring a clever 3-in-1 design, it combines a fork, slicer, and cutter into one. This means you can effortlessly prepare your favorite fruits without needing multiple utensils. Designed with your comfort in mind, the ergonomic handle provides a secure and natural grip. Enjoy easy maneuvering and professional cutting results every time. This versatile tool isn't just for watermelon, it's perfect for cantaloupe, melon, and other fruits too. It's ideal for everyday use, parties, or creating beautiful fruit platters. Make your summer gatherings and fruit preparations a breeze. This practical tool is a must-have for enjoying fresh fruit with ease and efficiency. What we like. This tool offers a convenient 3-in-1 design, combining a slicer and fork for effortless watermelon preparation. If you love summer fruits and want to speed up your prep time for gatherings or just a personal snack, this is a fantastic choice. Its durable stainless steel and comfortable grip make it a joy to use. What people say. This tool performs as advertised. Makes perfect slices of watermelon. This fruit cutter makes it so easy and versatile. Cuts watermelon with very little mess. Number 3. Dalstrong Shadow Black Series 10 Butcher Knife. Introducing the Dalstrong Shadow Black Series Butcher Knife. It's more than just a tool, it's an extension of your culinary passion and personal style. Experience unparalleled sharpness with a scalpel-like edge, hand-finished to perfection. It's nitrogen-cooled for optimal hardness and flexibility, ensuring every cut is effortless. The non-reflective black titanium nitride coating enhances its robustness and corrosion resistance. This exceptional blade is designed to perform under pressure. Its midnight black handle, crafted from military-grade materials, offers a near-impervious grip that's comfortable and secure. The full tang design ensures perfect balance and control. Forged from high-carbon steel with vacuum heat treatment, it boasts extraordinary performance and edge retention. It also comes with a matching sheath for convenient storage. Rest assured, this knife is NSF certified, meeting the highest standards for safety and sanitation in your kitchen. What we like. This butcher knife boasts a striking, aggressive design paired with a robust titanium nitride coating for enhanced durability and non-stick properties. If you're looking for a knife that makes a statement in your kitchen and can handle heavy-duty tasks with ease, this is it. Its superior steel ensures it stays sharp through demanding use. What people say. The Dalstrong butcher knife is an absolute game-changer in my kitchen. From the moment I picked it up, I could feel the quality and precision in its construction. It effortlessly glides through meats and makes even the toughest cuts seem like a breeze. The balance and weight are just right, giving me full control and confidence in every slice. I cut up cows as well as wild game daily, and this is my favorite knife when it comes to staying comfortable and sharp. The titanium coating makes it easy to clean, and the carbon fiber handle makes it easy to grip even when wet and bloody. I've been a butcher for over 20 years, and this is the best knife I've ever used for slicing steak. Number 2. Dalstrong Shadow Black Series 4 PC Steak Knife Set. Introducing the Dalstrong Shadow Black Series Steak Knives. These aren't just cutting tools, they're a bold statement of your culinary style. Experience a scalpel-like edge, meticulously hand-finished for exceptional sharpness. They are nitrogen-cooled for superior hardness and flexibility. The non-reflective titanium nitride coating ensures durability and corrosion resistance. This enhances their non-stick capabilities for effortless slicing. Its midnight black handle is crafted for a secure and comfortable grip, impervious to heat, cold, and moisture. Enjoy knuckle clearance with the offset handle design. Made from high-carbon super steel with vacuum heat treatment, these knives offer extraordinary performance and edge retention. Each comes with a protective sheath. We stand by our craftsmanship with a lifetime warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Join over 250,000 chefs who trust Dalstrong. What we like. This set of 4 steak knives from the sleek Shadow Black series is designed to impress at the dinner table. If you enjoy hosting and want to elevate your dining experience with sharp, stylish cutlery, this set is ideal. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it offers both performance and peace of mind. What people say. Very sharp and the look cool too. I'm a man, so I like a bit of flair or style in my kitchenwares as well as utility. These fit the bill. Great quality, unique aesthetic, surprisingly comfortable and balanced, hold edge well. They are very nice. Sharp. Comfortable to hold and use. They are also very nice looking. Number 1. Wolf Gourmet 32-ounce Blender Jar WGBL 134S. This compact 32 ounces jar is perfect for making smaller batches of your favorite dressings, dips, and smoothies. It's designed for efficient processing, giving you great results every time. This blending accessory is designed to work seamlessly with your Wolf Gourmet high-performance blender. It's the perfect addition to enhance your blending capabilities. Included is a 2-piece emulsion assembly, featuring a dedicated cup for dressings and marinades. It also comes with a filler cap that has convenient measurement marks for precise mixing. Crafted from BPA-free, shatterproof material, this jar ensures safety and longevity. It also features clear measurement marks for your convenience during use. Equipped with hardened stainless steel blades, this jar is built for exceptional durability. They are designed to tackle tough ingredients, ensuring smooth and consistent blending. What we like. This compact 32 ounces blender jar is perfect for making smaller batches of dressings, dips, and smoothies. If you often find yourself making single servings or smaller quantities of recipes, this accessory is a great addition. The included emulsion cup is particularly useful for creating perfect marinades and dressings. What people say. The 32-ounce jar is great for shakes and smoothies. Easy to clean with a kitchen spray nozzle. This is a great alternative to the larger glass that the blender comes with. I still get to use the amazing power but can make smaller things like smoothies much easier. Well, this smaller size blender jar definitely does a much better job of creating smooth smoothies. I'll use the larger jar for food prep work, soups, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.